Well, greetings, subscribers. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. And as requested, here's an update on the 1970 Dodge Challenger RT. For those that don't know, this is a JS23V code, which means it's a 446 pack with a 4-speed manual transmission. Why is that important or special? Well, it's one of only 847 made in this configuration. And, the numbers are even smaller than that when you start putting in the options and color and so on and so forth. But yeah, I haven't posted much on this vehicle just because of, well, it's troubled past. As many of you know, when I first got the car, it had a service block in it, and we were only able to enjoy it for a little while and spun a bearing. Then we took it to a local shop. They kind of dicked around for the next 12 months, just excuse after excuse. But thankfully, in the end, I was able to get the motor rebuilt and get it at least installed in the vehicle. But we were not able to do the break-in or anything before they went BK. So another shop in town was, supposedly going to do the break-in procedure, but the motor only lasted 30 minutes. So we got 20 minutes on the break-in and maybe one shakedown run, and then less than 10 minutes on the way home. Started to get loss of power and a little bit of rod knock, and then it just shut off and the motor was pretty much fully seized. So I've spent the last, I don't know, week or so just trying to tear everything down, do what I can here without pulling the motor and the transmission, because I don't really have the space to do something like that. But so everything's been through the hood, and I'm happy to say now I've got pretty much everything torn down to the basic block. So I've got everything kind of bagged and tagged. I've got all the accessories pulled off. There's the radiator, fan clutch, the pulleys, water pump housing, water pump, all the other miscellaneous pieces and parts. I've got the intake and the brand new Holly 2300 6-pack. And today I actually even pulled the cam out, to take a look at that. So there's not really much left here under the hood. And what is left, I don't really care about because I won't be reusing any of this. I've more just been kind of tearing into things to try to figure out exactly what happened. And so far, whatever the work the first shop did has been kind of spot on. I mean, everything's been torqued down properly and thread locked, and I just can't really spot anything obvious on the bottom end, which I have on some other videos. Yeah, I did see where there was bearing material and where the problem was, but what caused that, absolutely no idea. So yeah, I could dig into it more, but like I said, I have a new block and all of the brand new parts, so we'll just kind of take it from there. But anyway, that's kind of the update at the moment, and we'll kind of start posting some more videos as we start with the new build. So thanks for sticking with us. Thanks for asking. And, just stay tuned. We'll be updating you soon.